Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Artista on my YouTube. Hope you are all fine and enjoying your happy life. Today's video is about how to make pom-poms. It's so easy to make pom-poms. I will teach you step by step. First, you take 2 crepe papers. I take these of sky blue colors. Take one and hold it like this that I'm doing in my videos. Remember, the folding should be equal from bottom side. Wait. Before cutting, mark a line or fold from the center for holding, like this. Then cut strip of half inches 1 by 1. Cutting should be fine. You can see in the video my mother helping me in its cutting. You can see I'm shaking like this, but I'm not doing well. After that shaking, and separate all strips slowly. It's take too much time. I'm boring, but I hope so I will do earlier. Then open all the crepe papers smoothly. Hurry up! I'm bored now. Yeah, I did it! Now, fold all the papers one by one. Oh, look beautiful! It's ready now, not yet, but one more steps I do to complete this pom-pom. So let's move on to the next step. So in your mind, a question reveals that I made 2, but how can we eat 4 pom-poms? That I cut the center of the pom-pom to make 4. So hope you understand that I told. Keep enjoying and stay blessed. Now the next step is take a stapler and staple all the strip paper like me that I'm showing you in my video. Then you can fold like this to measure to your wrist for tying. Like this, you can measure to your wrist for tying. I will not use on my wrist. I will hold these in my hands. You can also hold this in your hands too, but in wrist it is easy. Enjoy your party. So looking beautiful. I'm happy that I made So now I'm sharing some clips of my school function where I'm performing PD with my class fellows. Keep watching! Thank you for school management that they arranged a beautiful function for us. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you soon. Take care.